Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your username on MyDoge account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your username on MyDoge, firstly open up your MyDoge application. The home page of MyDoge application will appear on the screen. Click on Profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. From the displayed option, click on Profile. It will take you to the Profile section of MyDoge Wallet's account. Now click on Edit Profile. On the next page, edit your name and tap on Save Changes. This is how you can change your username on MyDoge Wallet quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.